I would love to find out more about the Jamaican people and their language. I have to be at this webinar.
I am a Jamaican pastor. I wish I could read from the Jamaican New Testament for my congregation. I have to be at this webinar.
Hi, I'm Nikki Tapper from BBC Local Radio here in the West Midlands in the UK. And I'm very proud that my parents were from the island of Jamaica and that I'm of Jamaican heritage. I wish I knew more about the language though, and I'm so pleased therefore then that this webinar is happening. Me afidide. So I really encourage you to do the same.
God has really given me a desire to serve the people of Jamaica using their language. I need to be at this webinar. Mi afidede.
As a mentor, I work with lots of young people. And you know, if you don't speak their language, if you don't understand their little sayings, you can't connect. That's why I'm not missing this webinar.
Mi afidede.
Me afidide.
Me afidede.